Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case I'm going to teach you how to make the beat sync with the music and with the clip automatic. It's quite easy, so let's begin. First we have to click on the audio clip and go to beats. Here on beats we have to click in auto generate, and this what it's going to do is to generate every single beat from the music. Here we have to choose on beat 1, it can be beat 2 or beat 1, depends on what frequency do you want to be the beat bouncing. So once we do that, we're gonna see these yellow points under the audio, and all we gotta do is to cut the clip above on these yellow points. So we have to do this with all the parts that we want to make the transition and the sync auto. So we do it like this. As you can see, this is really easy to do. You shouldn't have problem in do this. And once it's finished, what we have to do is to make all these cut clips into transitions. So we select the first one, and here we have to choose in transition effects, and here we have to choose any transition that we want. We can make the same transitions or choose different transitions. I recommend you using the Pro and using different transitions to make it more interesting. But yeah, every clip you have to make a different transition, so you just put it like I'm doing here on the video, and as you can see, this is really easy to do. So as you can see, this is really easy to do so. So once this is done, we move to the last step. We have to go to adjust, and here on saturations we put it all down to make it black and white, and we can also play with the contrast and the brightness. This is to make it more interesting, and we put this black and white filter until the drop of the music comes. So we just disable this effect right here. As you can see, it's really simple to do, and then it should be all ready. So I leave you with the final result. This is how it gets.
Cool.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.